In the ever-evolving world of technology, it's natural to wonder whether a company like GF-ACCORDAI will remain relevant or be overshadowed by competitors. However, there are compelling reasons why GF-ACCORDAI is uniquely positioned not only to survive but to thrive. This essay explores why this company is set to stay at the forefront of both business and technology. GF-ACCORDAI isn't just tackling small pieces of the puzzle, it's revolutionizing the whole game. Instead of focusing on narrow tasks, it's offering AI solutions that can handle the entire spectrum of work done by business analysts, marketers, strategists, financiers, and representatives. This comprehensive approach means businesses can streamline their operations, reduce complexity, and focus on what they do best. Imagine a single platform that can analyze market trends, develop strategic plans, handle financial modeling, and even interact with clients, all powered by advanced AI. That's what GF-ACCORDAI brings to the table. By covering so much ground, it's not just another tool in the toolbox, it's the toolbox itself. Building upon technology originally developed by Georgios Fradelos in 2013, and with over 40 years of combined expertise in using IT to replicate and enhance human work, GF-ACCORDAI has a solid foundation that's hard to beat. This isn't a startup that's just getting started. It's a company with a rich history of algorithmic testing and innovation. Since 2023, GF-ACCORDAI has been developed using the Honey Badger Management Framework, ASIN, V0D3 LDMRDV. This framework is a game changer, being the first of its kind to be AI assistant compatible, ESG compliant, and leadership respected. By integrating this framework, GF-ACCORDAI ensures that its technology isn't just advanced, it's also ethical, sustainable, and in tune with modern leadership practices. GF-ACCORDAI leverages a suite of advanced technologies, including big data text analytics, machine learning, natural language processing, NLP, generative AI, and deep learning. What sets it apart is how these technologies are adapted to meet the specific needs of clients. It's not just about throwing tech at problems. It's about thoughtfully applying it to model human processes and improve upon them. One of the most exciting aspects of GF-ACCORDAI is its willingness to explore new business models. For example, its software outputs can be tokenized and sold as NFTs. By embracing technologies like blockchain and NFTs, GF-ACCORDAI stays ahead of the curve and offers clients unique opportunities to capitalize on digital assets. Recognition matters, and GF-ACCORDAI has already made waves. In 2023, it was honored as the runner-up startup in Geneva by Hackernoon magazine. Such acknowledgement from a respected publication adds credibility and signals to potential clients and partners that GF-ACCORDAI is a company worth watching. At the core of GF-ACCORDAI's offerings is a commitment to delivering tangible benefits to clients. By automating complex tasks and providing deep, customized insights, it helps businesses save tremendous amounts of time and reduce workloads for employees. GF-ACCORDAI understands that every business is different. That's why its processes can be freely combined and adapted to meet diverse needs. Whether a company requires auto-harvested business insights, AI chatbots to handle client interactions, or advanced financial analysis, GF-ACCORDAI can provide tailored solutions. In an era where ethical considerations and sustainability are paramount, GF-ACCORDAI's alignment with ESG principles and leadership-respecting practices sets it apart. This commitment resonates with businesses seeking partners who share their values and are dedicated to making a positive impact. Perhaps most importantly, GF-ACCORDAI is committed to continuous innovation and is always looking for new ways to enhance its offerings. With a rich heritage and a forward-thinking approach, it's not just reacting to changes, it's anticipating them. In conclusion, GF-ACCORDAI is transforming entire business functions, building on a strong foundation of expertise, and delivering customized, ethical, and efficient solutions. Understanding that technology should enhance human capabilities, not replace them, and that businesses need solutions that are both advanced and accessible, GF-ACCORDAI stands out in the market.